4 FMCG companies, namely Alibaba, Britannia, Coleman, and Dunkino, manufacture products of 4 types: pillows, quilts, ropes, and sleepers. It is not necessary for every company to manufacture each product type. It is further known that total products manufactured by Alibaba is only 30% of the total products manufactured by Britannia. Quilts by D constitute 11.11% of total quilts manufactured. Slippers constitute 33.33% of A's products. Pillows constitute this percentage of Coleman, and ropes by B constitute. So if you actually look into this, it's about 4 companies, A, B, C, D, and it's about the types of products P, Q, R, and S among them. And we are talking about the product of a particular type being produced as a total product, or maybe a product from a particular company as the total products by that company. Everything is in terms of percentage. The important part here being 11.11 should be quickly converted to 1 by 9, and 33.33 is 1 by 3. This is going to be 4 upon 9. 14.28 is 1 upon 7. 37.5 is 3 upon 8. 25% is 1 by 4. 10% is 1 by 10, 20% is 1 by 5. So these percentages are important. They the conversion from percentage to fractions. So we will require a table like this, wherein we will be putting in the values as per the percentages. Okay, let's look at the questions, the types of questions asked. So one of the questions is, which of the following pairs of values are definitely equal? Then we have a theta, then 13th one we have something definite, 14th one again definite, 15th again definite. So overall this set is going to be, it looks like it's going to be somewhere between easy to moderate. Okay, so let's start with the table. So total products manufactured by Alibaba is only 30% of the total products manufactured by B. So total products manufactured by Alibaba is, let's say, 3A. Then the total products manufactured by B is going to be 10A, such that it is 30% of it. So we're done with the first statement. Next, Q by Dunkino or Q by D, this is 11.11%, that is 1 by 9 of total quilts manufactured. So if I take this as 9B, this part is going to be B. Slippers constitute 1/3 of A products. So if you go to A, its total is 3A. So slippers is going to be 1/3 of that. So it's going to be A. So we're done with the second statement. Third statement, pillows constitute 1/7 of C's products. Total C's products is, let's say, 7B. Then pillows, that is P, constitutes, let's take a new variable, not B. B is already here. So let's take this as 7C, and this is going to be C. Ropes by B. So ropes by B, this is the value. It constitutes 4 by 9 of total ropes manufactured. So total ropes manufactured, if I take this as 9D, then this particular value is going to be 4D. Done with this third statement. Fourth statement says pillows by C. So P by C, this is C. This constitutes 37.5% of total pillows manufactured. So total pillows manufactured, if I take this as 8C, so this becomes 3C. The moment C becomes 3 times, so the other C should also become 3 times, and it should become 21, 7 into 3. Quilts constitute, so Q constitute 25% of D's products. So D's products is whatever it is, 25%, that is 1/4 of that is going to be quilts. So if quilts is B, this is going to be 4B. So done with the next statement as well. Next one, ropes constitute 1/5 of B's product. B's product is 10A. So ropes constitute 1/5 of that. Now the thing is, if I convert 4D into 1/5 of 10A, so I will have D as a fraction. So how about saying that 4D is 1/5 of B's products? So B's products will turn out to be 20A, right? So that means instead of 10, so 20D actually. So instead of 10A, we will write A as D, and instead of 10, we will be writing 20. That means we will have to double this. The moment I double this A as 2D, the other A should also become 2D. So 3D will become 6D. This A will become 2D. Okay. So we don't have any variable A anymore. Slippers by Alibaba. So slippers by A constitute 10% of total slippers manufactured. So this 2D is 10% of something. So this is going to be 20D. So we get this. Next, total pillows manufactured. Total pillows manufactured is 8C. This is twice the number of total products manufactured by D, which is equal to 4B. So from here we can say that C and B, they are going to be same. So what I will do is I will convert C into B. So I will replace C and write B instead of that. So wherever C is there, let's convert it into B. So done with this statement as well. Now, if you talk about the total products manufactured and the total products manufactured by the 4 companies, they should be same. In other words, 6D plus 20D, which is 26D, plus 21B plus 4B, which is 25B. And if I talk about the total products across all the 4 companies, as 8B plus 9B is going to be 17B, and 9D plus 20D is 29D. So we can say that they both are same. If they both are same, and if we try to solve it, we will get 3D is equal to 8B. That means D is 8 and B is 3. So what now we will do is, instead of D, we are going to put 8, and instead of B, we will be putting 3. So instead of B, if we put 3, this is going to become 63. This is going to become 12. So let's erase this. It's going to be better. So this becomes 63. This becomes 12. Next B we have is here. So B is going to be 3. So let's write down 3 here. It's 9 into 3. This is going to be 27. 8 into 3 is going to be 24. 3 into 3 is going to be 9. So we have all these values. Now let's convert every D into 8. So 4 into 8, this becomes 32. 9 into 8, this becomes 72. 2 into 8, this turns out to be 16. 20 into 8, this turns out to be 160. 20 into 8, this is 160. And 20 into 6, this is going to be, 8 into 6, which is going to be 48. As in, if we add all these values, actually they are going to be in multiples of something, right? Not necessarily just exactly 16 and 32. So let's say these are x, 3x and 8x. So if we add all the values in the last column, which is the total, or the last row, which is the total, we will be getting 48 plus 160 is 208 plus 75. 208 plus 75 is 283x. So this is the total number of products across all the 4 companies. We don't know the values at every other cell because out of 4 values, only 1 is known and the 3 are missing, which is going to be very complicated to solve. So let's leave the table as such and now move over to the questions. Question number 11. Which of the following pairs of values are definitely equal? Total number of products manufactured by Alibaba, which is 48x. And total quilts manufactured by all the companies taken together, 27x. They are not same. Option B. Total ropes manufactured by Britannia, which is 32x. And total pillows manufactured by all the companies taken together, which is 24x. They are not same. Next option, total products manufactured by Britannia, which is 160x. And total slippers manufactured by all the companies taken together, which is also 160x. So option C is going to be the answer. Question number 12. What could be the minimum units of total number of products manufactured by all the companies taken together? So the total number of units manufactured is 283x. If we want it to be minimum, we can take the value of x to be equal to 1, because 283 is not divisible by 2 or 3, which looks to be common. So 16x is not divisible. So x cannot be any fraction which will take care of other values in other cells to be integral. So I can't take x as half, because if I take x as half, sleeper is will be 8, overall will be 1, will be 80, this will be 16, this will be 36, but then quilts will become fraction. We can't have fraction number of quilts, right? So the minimum value that we can put for x over here is going to be 1. So if we take x is equal to 1, we will have 283 as the minimum number of total products manufactured by all the companies taken together. Since it was a data question, we are supposed to type in 283. Question number 13. Slippers manufactured by Britannia. So slippers manufactured by Britannia means we are talking about this value. Could be at least what percentage of total products manufactured by Britannia. So we need to find out that particular value upon 160x. So what could be the minimum value that we can take here? Well, if we look at the maximum value of pillows under Britannia, this is going to be 15x. 15 plus 9 is 24, assuming the other values we have 0. In the case of quilts, out of 27, 3x is here, so this is going to be 24x. Now, 15 plus 24 plus 32, this is going to be 71x. That means this is going to be 89x, right? So 89x could be the value over there if we look at total value of Britannia. So 89x upon 160x is going to be what percentage? So 89 out of 160. Now 80 out of 160 is definitely 50%. So this is going to be 50%, more than 50%, but definitely less than 60%, right? Well, the only option that makes sense is option A. So option A is going to be the answer. Question number 14. Ropes manufactured by Coleman could approximately constitute at most what percentage of total products manufactured by Coleman? So we are talking about this particular cell. Well, very similar to question number 13. If you look at the row, if you assume the other values are 0, if you want to maximize this, so out of 63x, pillows constitute 9x under Coleman. So this is going to be 54x. And if you look at the column of ropes, then out of 72x, if you assume other values to be 0, because we are trying to maximize the ropes under Coleman. So out of 72x, if 32x is already taken, so this is going to be 40x. Now, out of one of these two, we have to consider, well, obviously, if I assume this to be 54x, 54 plus 32 is going to be more than 72. So we can't take 54. So the highest possible value that we can have for ropes under Coleman is 40x. Out of total products manufactured by Coleman being 63x, which is going to be approximately 63%. Reason being 40 by 60 is 66%. So 40 by 63 should be less than 66%. So the correct answer is going to be option B. Question number 15. Total ropes manufactured by all the companies together, which is 72x, is what percentage more than the total products manufactured by Ayla Baba? It is going to be 48x. So if you want to see the multiplying factor 72 upon 48, they both are in the table of 24. So this is 24 into 3 and 24 into 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5, and that would mean 50% more. So we can say that total products by Ayla Baba, with respect to that, the total ropes is 50% more. So 72 is 50% more than 48. So the answer is going to be option C, 50.